This is Contour, a physics-grounded fit engine for fashion e-commerce. Most size charts give 4 flat numbers to describe a 3-dimensional body, and they have no idea whether the denim is zero-stretch raw selvedge or a soft 4-way knit. That gap is why more than half of apparel returns come down to fit. The inputs are honest and private. Only centimeter measurements, never a photo. Here is the shopper Riley and the size chart for a 14-ounce raw selvedge jean. The engine compares this body against the garment's finished dimensions and the fabric's real stretch limit. Close that and ask the real question. A 3-stage crew runs live. A fabric mechanics agent reads the messy product copy, an adversarial critic checks it, and a deterministic strain engine, not the language model, computes the fit and decides the size. The verdict: size 29, 95% confident, comfortable at every zone. Now look at the dashed box. A plain waist-only chart would have said 28, and it would be wrong here. On this rigid denim, the thigh runs tight at 28, so the fabric mechanics move the shopper up to 29. Every zone is scored on its own. Waist, hip, thigh, and length, each measured as circumferential strain against the fabric's comfort limit. Green means the zone sits inside that limit. This is the mechanical reason a fit is right, not a guess and not a rendered picture. Click the strain engine stage and the decision opens up. Sizes evaluated, the recommended size, what the waist-only chart would have picked and whether it abstained. This is plain, unit-tested code. Agents advise, code decides. Close that. Now the agent API. This is the machine-readable payload an AI shopping agent consumes. Recommended size, confidence, an abstain flag, the per zone fit, and an audit ID. This is the agentic-commerce sizing endpoint the solution page promises, made real. And the audit receipt, a replayable record of exactly why. The inferred fabric spec with the source phrases that drove it, the full per-size strain matrix, and the final decision. A merchandising or returns team can reopen any recommendation and see the reasoning. Now the moment that makes the whole idea click. Keep the exact same body, Riley, and change only the fabric to a comfort stretch denim with the same nominal size chart. Ask again and the answer changes to size 28 cleanly. Identical body, an identical looking size chart, and a different correct size, because the stretch denim forgives the thigh. A size chart can never tell these two jeans apart. Contour can. Honesty matters most when the fabric is unforgiving. Back to the raw selvedge jean and switch to a different shopper, Jordan, whose thigh is a good deal fuller. Ask for a size, and on this zero-stretch denim no single size clears every zone for Jordan. Small sizes fail the thigh, larger sizes run loose at the waist. So the engine abstains. It shows the least bad size, flags the conflict, and says bracket or speak to a stylist, instead of bluffing a confident answer the way the chart does. And when the data itself is wrong, a good system refuses. This jeans vendor copy claims raw selvedge and 4-way stretch at once, which is mechanically impossible. Run it and the adversarial critic catches the contradiction, blocks the inference, and routes it to human review. No recommendation is issued. Uncertain becomes needs proof, never a wrong answer shipped to a shopper. Open the critic stage to see why. It reports the block and the reason in plain terms, tied to the fabric physics it checked. Finally, does it actually beat the method stores use today? Close this and run the benchmark. Against the real incumbent, waist-only size chart matching, the engine lifts accuracy by 40 percentage points, catches 39 fit conflicts the chart would have shipped, and gives a single confident size on more than 2/3 of fits, so shoppers stop ordering too. And the honest part, this is scored on a fixed, labeled reference set, so it is not an open-world guarantee. The advantage is largest exactly where it should be, on rigid denim and tailoring, and it narrows on very stretchy knits where a fabric forgives almost anything. Contour reports that instead of hiding it, one engine that computes how each fabric meets each body, recommends with confidence, abstains when it should, and proves every call with a receipt. This is what we build at Veriprajna. If fit is quietly costing your store, we would welcome a conversation. Building true intelligence.